Most people think money begins at a mint. A government prints it. A central bank controls it. The rest of us fight over what's left. Clean, simple, completely wrong. Because most modern money is not printed at all. It's typed into existence, quietly, legally, every day. And once you understand who does it, the economy starts looking less like a machine and more like a very confident magic trick. Here's the strange part. When a bank gives you a loan, it usually isn't handing you money that someone else saved. It isn't opening a vault and sliding your mortgage across the table with a polite smile. It creates a deposit in your account, out of nowhere. You sign the loan agreement, the bank enters numbers on a balance sheet. Suddenly, you have spendable money. Not because existing cash moved from one place to another, but because new bank money was created the moment the loan was issued. That sounds ridiculous, because it is a little ridiculous, but it's also how modern banking works. In many economies, the vast majority of money exists not as paper bills, but as digital bank deposits. And a large share of those deposits enters the system through lending. So when banks lend more, the money supply expands. When lending slows down, that expansion weakens. And when loans are repaid or defaulted on, money can effectively disappear. That means money is not just a thing, it's a process. Now add central banks to the story. People often imagine central banks as giant money printers running day and night. Sometimes they do create base money, especially during crises. After 2008 and again in 2020, central banks pumped huge amounts of liquidity into the financial system to stop markets from freezing. But even that money usually doesn't arrive as suitcases of cash for ordinary people. It moves through banks, reserves, bond purchases, and financial plumbing most people never see. Which is where the irony begins. We're told money is precious because it's scarce, yet the system can create enormous amounts of it when debt is expanding fast enough. The catch is that money is mostly born as debt. To create new money, someone usually has to owe something. A household, a business, a property developer, a government. So when credit booms, economies feel rich, spending rises, asset prices climb, confidence spreads. But underneath the optimism is a simple and uncomfortable truth. If money is created through debt, then growth itself starts depending on more debt tomorrow than today. That works beautifully until it doesn't. Because when banks get nervous, loans dry up, money creation slows, demand weakens, asset prices wobble, and suddenly the magic trick starts running in reverse. So the real question isn't whether money can be created from almost nothing. It clearly can. The real question is this: if most money only exists because somebody somewhere is deeper in debt, what exactly happens when the system runs out of willing borrowers?